Leetcode medium problem 3227 walls game in the string. So let's think about the total number of the walls. So if it is a odd number, since Alex gonna take the first 10, then Alex can just take them all. Then Alex wins. What if it is an even number? So even number after Alice took a substring away, but it has to be with a even with an odd number. Then the left will be even minus odd will be an odd number. So for those odd number, Bob couldn't take them all. So no matter how long the substring Bob takes, Alice can always take whatever left, so Alice still wins. There's only a special case that if the starting number is 0, there's no way Alex can take any. So that's the only case that Bob will win. So if there's no walls in this string, Bob wins, otherwise Alice wins.